In many online forms, collecting data isn't enough. Sometimes you need to confirm a user's identity or approval with a signature. This is essential for things like contracts, authorizations, and legal consents, where a signature adds trust and clarity. Today, users expect to sign directly from their browser on any device without printing or scanning. In this video, you'll see how the Signature add-on for Calculated Fields form lets you quickly add a handwritten signature field to your forms, giving you a simple, secure, and fully integrated solution. The first step is to activate the Signature add-on. To do this, go to Calculated Fields Form Add-ons. Once there, locate the Signature add-on, check its box, and click Activate/Deactivate Add-ons. When the add-on is activated, a new section will automatically appear in your form settings, allowing you to enable and configure the signature control. Next, you'll need to add a field that will be submitted with the form, typically a single-line text field. This step is crucial. In the field settings, make sure to enable Accept Submitting HTML as field value. This allows the field to correctly receive the signature image, which is sent as HTML content. Once that's done, turning this field into a signature control is very simple. Scroll down to the Signature add-on section, enter the name of the field you want to convert, and adjust a few basic settings. Here, you can customize the signature color, the stroke thickness, and whether you want to display a guideline to show users where to sign. With just these options, your field is ready to work as a fully integrated signature control. Now, how do you access the user's signature? And how do you include it in an email notification or inside a generated PDF? The Signature add-on stores the signature directly in the database instead of creating an image file. This approach is much more secure, since it avoids generating files that could be accessed from the file system and keeps the information protected inside the form. To include the signature in an email or in a PDF-generated file, the process is very simple. You only need to use the tag of the original field you converted into a signature control inside the email content or the PDF structure. The user's signature will be inserted automatically, keeping the document consistent and valid. And that's it. Your signature control is now fully set up in Calculated Fields form, a simple, secure, and seamless way to capture user signatures directly from your form.